Hi, it's Steffi from Steffi's Beads and Baubles, and I just wanted to make a quick comment. I know the lighting's terrible, I apologize, but I'm pretty upset. I had a new subscriber tell me they commented and they thought their comment had been booted because it was gone. So I didn't boot it. I hadn't even been on the computer during the time that they should have done this. So I went on to YouTube to look for this comment, which I cannot find, and found a bunch of comments held in review. Now, I never told them to put my comments in review, so I will be looking every day to see if any comments are held. So I want to apologize to any of you that wrote a comment and I never answered it and your comment's not there. I didn't do that. So I will be getting on there every day and I'm going to try to figure out why they held these comments in review, because they were all perfectly lovely comments. It's crazy. So I wanted to apologize, and if the viewer that wrote me that note is watching, I am very sorry. I don't know what happened. I would never boot a comment. The only way I would ever take a comment down is if it was offensive or rude to me or someone else, and that has never happened. So I want to apologize to them and to anyone whose comment has not appeared or has been held for review that I didn't know about. I never even thought to look because I never dreamed they were holding anyone's comments. So I've been replying to some of them right now, but I just had to get on and just do this couple-minute video just to tell you I am very sorry, and I'm still looking for that new subscriber's comment, and I'm trying to figure out what could have happened. But they left me a comment about 10-15 minutes ago saying that they had just subscribed and commented, and obviously their comment had been booted. I did not even see your comment. I am so sorry. So I just wanted to do this real quick. I'm going to get this posted right away. It's just an apology. And if I ever don't answer a comment, then, and you don't see your comment show up, try commenting again. If it doesn't work that time, comment under someone else and see if that works. But the weird thing is, these are people that comment all the time, and why were they held in review? Things like, I so love those pumpkins. Why would they hold that in review? There's nothing to look at for that. Somebody put, wow, my heart melts. So lovely beads. Hope I can make it. That was a lovely comment from 3 weeks ago from Rowena. I never saw it. So I'm very upset right now. I don't understand what in the world's going on. I'm holding this camera. That's why it's so weird. But I just wanted to apologize. So if any of you ever see a comment not show up, I will put my email address in my about. You can email me. I'll try to be better about checking the email I have for this channel. But you can always try commenting under someone else and say, hey, my comment's not here. But I'm going to try to look every day, because I respond to comments all through the day. When I see a comment pop up, when I see a number on my YouTube app, I look to see if it's a new video by another creator or if somebody has commented. I check it all day long, and I am not happy that somebody feels I would boot them, because I've never booted a comment yet, and I never plan to, like I said, unless I had to. And I cannot see anybody on this channel ever having to have their comment removed. So I am very sorry. And let me see if I can find, let's see. It was on the most recent video I did, which I'm going to pull up, which you'll probably hear my voice here in a minute. No, I got it stopped in time. And let's see. CM Ralph. Bummer, I left you a comment and subscribe, but looks like my comment got booted. CM Ralph, I did not boot your comment. I am very sorry, and I'm trying to get to the bottom of this. I don't know what happened, but I apologize. And I did not even see your comment. So I apologize, and please accept my apologies. I am so sorry. So anyway, quick rant. I just wanted to apologize to anyone and let you know I don't ever purposely not answer. I answer every single comment. I'm sorry, I'm not good with this camera. I'm trying to get in the center. I answer every single comment I get as soon as I see it. So I excuse the camera work. It's been a really long day. I'm very tired. It's 8:30 at night. I've been up since 6:30, which is very early for me. I've been staying up late, and last night I got to bed early and got up early. So, I apologize. There's no excuse for this, and I am so sorry, and I'm still trying to get to the bottom of it. But please accept my apologies, and I promise I'll really pay attention. I did not even realize that I had held for review comments. There's no point in that. I purposely do not check that box. So I don't get it. So I'm going to try to figure it out. But I do appreciate all of you so much, and I would never block a comment. I would never eliminate a comment, and I don't understand what happened. So I apologize, and just please know it's not intentional. I didn't do it. So I'll be back soon, but I just wanted to get on. I was so upset. I wanted to get on and see if I could get this posted real quick. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.